Hey guys, welcome back to Hellendale Hot Rods. Today I'm going to be working on this 28-29 Roadster. Let me flip the camera around here. All right, so this one's pretty good shape actually. There's not a lot of rust on it. Well, there's a lot of rust, surface rust, but for the stuff I get, it's actually a pretty solid body. The trunk lid's pretty ratched, but the inner structure is real good. Fenders aren't the worst I've ever had. I think it's got a flat tire. The only downside to this one is I do not have a driver's side door, so I have started by building the inner structure of a door in a previous video that I'm gonna air at some point in time. So with the Model A's, they're flat on the bottom. So I find the best way to do any sort of body work on them is to put them on a flat surface. That way you can get your doors aligned perfect. So we're gonna scoot over here. I built another cart yesterday. My last one kind of took a crap on me, so we got treated lumber. $91 Canadian for that piece of lumber. Must be gold plated or something. All right, I'm gonna start by taking out a few bolts. There's bolts that go through the sub rail. I think there's about, I can't remember exactly. I think there's about 4 per side. They go down the sub rail. And I will have to take the steering column out because I don't have enough room to lift it with it in. So I'm gonna leave the motor and rad in. I gotta take these supports out. And the back fenders, they have some, can you see them there? I'll be cutting those suckers out, those bolts, because there's no way I'll be able to even budge them. So hop to it. All right, folks, I got it all undone. I had to take the starter off. Pitman arm, steering column, and I was mistaken. There was about 1,000 bolts. No, it was about, I think 10 bolts holding it down. The hardest part was there's little bumper brackets on the very back lip. That was a pain in the arse to do. So now we're gonna just lift it off the frame. I don't know if my lift will go high enough, so I'm going to have to monkey around with it a little bit. Wish me luck. One little bolt. Okay, I just had one bolt on the bumper that was holding on. I hate Model A bumpers. They're boat anchors. We are free. Wow. We are free. All right. Okay, gotta move the skid steer and pull that guy out and put this on my fancy new cart. Well, I've definitely had some great success today. I got the Roadster on this cart I built. Now I just got to do the necessary shimming down here to make the doors fit. Lots of work. Got some serious surgery. I'll probably take out the seat frame. Not really sure what the plans are for this sucker yet. I have to take the wheels right off to drop the chassis down to get the body off. But it went pretty smooth for the most part. There's just a lot of cutting and grinding. I don't even try and undo the bolts. They're like over 90 years old. You gotta cut them. It's the only way. Anyways, they don't make them like that anymore, do they? Okay, here's where I'm at in the process of this new to me Roadster. I got all the floor stuff out. There it is in a pile. It's not awful, but it's I'm not going to use it. I like to build my own kind of seat or seat frame. Maybe I'll do some bomber seats, or I don't know what I'm doing yet, but most of the damage is right here, as usual, just where the axle sits. They're always broken right here. I don't know if it's all the flexing with the bumper or what, moisture, but they always crack right there. But I guess I'll repair that. This is what I was saying about the inner trunk structure. It's actually really, really good. You know, it's just normal stuff, right? The sub rail underneath the little the door sill it's got a hole in this side. That one is pretty bad shape, so that's repairable. I don't know what else to tell you. Actually, I'm gonna just put my light. So earlier in the video, I had this inner door structure on that I had built. I'm gonna post another video at some point in time. I'm just waiting on parts. I'm waiting on hinges and of course the door latch. I can't really go much further until I get those suckers on. The hinges are supposed to be here tomorrow, so that's a huge help. At least we're not having a postal strike anymore, but you get it. So I'll try and put together a video on that one, but I just wanted to kind of show you where I was at with the deconstruction of this, with my analysis and assertions, mostly ass. So that is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna update as I go along on it. As I said, I really haven't a foggiest what I'm doing plan-wise. I still got a few things, clearly. But thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe or hit the like or comment or whatever. I sure appreciate everybody watching and sharing the passion for this hobby that I have. Cheers, everyone.